Good morning, students. Here, Mrs. Neelam Jain from SKM Public School. Today, I am going to teach you Physical Education, chapter number 3, that is Physical Fitness, Wellness, and Lifestyle. Today, my topic is Components of Wellness. So, let's learn about components of wellness. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. This quotation is given by the World Health Organization on wellness. Okay. Wellness includes aspects of physical, mental, emotional, environmental, occupational, social, intellectual, and spiritual health. Wellness is not just the absence of illness, it's engaging in everyday life and living each day to its fullness as it pertains to you. Wellness is unique to everyone, but it consists of some aspects of balance between these components. So this is about wellness. Means wellness, it can be defined as the optimal functioning of body and creative adapting to environment that involves the whole person. So the scientific meaning of wellness is the state of being healthy and free of diseases. This is the scientific meaning of wellness. Wellness is considered the optimal state of health. Then in the previous video, I have taught you here 3 components of wellness, and now let's learn about 4th component of wellness. I have taught about social wellness, emotional wellness, spiritual wellness to you. Now, number 4, physical wellness. Physical wellness, this is probably the first thing you think of when you think of health and wellness. But physical health is much more than losing a few pounds. Physical wellness is taking the necessary steps to maintain optimal health and functioning. This includes participating in physical activity and maintaining proper nutrition by eating a well-balanced diet. So we can say that physical wellness is one of the important components of wellness. Appearance with healthy eating, restful sleep, vigorous exercise, and a new look. For attaining physical wellness, an individual should do various physical activities such as jogging, swimming, and should participate in games and sports. He or she should also spend some time for breathing in fresh air also. This is about physical wellness. Then there are some ideas to advise, as here some ideas you are advised to follow for physical wellness. So some ideas to achieve physical wellness: participate in physical activity every day for 30 minutes, take the stairs instead of the elevator, learn how to read nutrition labels, eat a variety of foods and understand portion sizes, maintain a regular sleep schedule. These are the steps which you will follow for physical wellness. Okay. So next is emotional wellness. 5th component of wellness, it's emotional wellness. This includes stress management, self-care, relaxation, and understanding managing your emotions. It allows you to recognize and understand your emotions, cope with them, and express them. This is emotional wellness. This also one of the important component of wellness. It lays stress on getting more out of every day with laughter and enjoyment. It also lays stress on reducing stress and tension. For improving emotional wellness, an individual should avoid overload and keep oneself busy in recreational activities. One should keep distance from sadistic company. One should learn to laugh wholeheartedly. One should undertake anger and stress management activities. So this is about emotional wellness. Next component you will learn after that. First of all, we will follow some of the steps to get emotional wellness. Take time for yourself to process, unwind, rejuvenate by finding a few minutes to be alone each day. Stay positive, write notes to yourself, stick posts if it's around the house, office to remind yourself. Maintain a gratitude practice. Explore and practice mindfulness. Give yourself grace. See all opportunities as experiences for learning and growth. These are the steps you will have to follow for emotional wellness. Now, next component is spiritual wellness. This can refer to religion, values, faith, ethics, morals, etc. It allows you to be in touch with yourself and what you believe in. In this aspect, you are likely to find meaning, purpose, appreciation, and your guiding compass. If you identify with a specific religion, continue to explore that. If you don't, be open to exploring different belief systems. Meditate. Take time for self-inquiry. Get curious about knowing yourself and what you align with. Maintain your spiritual or religious practices. Means to say, spiritual wellness, it lays stress on spiritual renewal and inner peace. For improving spiritual wellness, an individual should be true to himself or herself and build character and virtues. One should do meditation and perform prayers. One should respect different religions also. So these are the steps which you will have to follow for spiritual wellness. So today you have learned about the components of wellness. You have learned about physical wellness, social wellness, emotional wellness, spiritual wellness. Environment wellness. So this presentation was given by me. Thank you. Stay alert, stay healthy. Mask yourself, take proper care, and whatever videos are being uploaded for you, please prepare notes and try to complete chapter number 3, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle.
Okay.